So, I've been thinking lately, Brandon.
What is it?
Brandon, do you love me?
No idea.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Like on a scale from 1 to 10?
Like about an 11.
11?
Yeah.
Good.
What is it?
Good. Good. Okay, stay sitting down, okay?
All right.
Brandon, will you marry me?
Sarah, this is usually supposed to work the other way around. And we're not at the
But
Y.
we're not at the Y. What is
Asking me to marry you at a library.
what is not being at the what is not hold this.